Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can extract vocals from a song or a sample in general. It's very simple. If you have FL Studio 21, you are able to use this. I have FL Studio version 21.2.2, so make sure you have this version too. Okay, so I selected the song Ina, How Deep Is Your Love. It's actually a cover. And in this video, I'm going to extract the vocals from this song. So make sure you have inserted a song in FL Studio. And if you did, click on this sound icon right here and click Extract Stems from Sample. Now you have a menu, and in this menu you can select the things you want to extract from the sample. So you have drums, instruments, bass, and vocals. So for this video, I only select the vocals and I click extract. Now it's loading up the AI and it's actually processing the sample. And it's finished. So to hear the difference, I will play the original song first and then the extracted vocal.
Are you? How deep is your love? How deep is your love? Open up my eyes and tell me who I am.
So this is how you extract vocals from samples in FL Studio 21. I hope you find it useful. If you did, please click the thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you at my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.